Hello and Happy New Year, and welcome back to Grace by God, One Song, One Truth. Today's song is 308, Pupula Mai Yesue, Shine, O Jesus. It's based on an old English hymn, Son of My Soul. It's a beautiful example of an extended metaphor. On the surface, it talks about sleep or rest at the end of the day, but it also talks about death at the end of one's life. This past week, a dear friend of mine, Samoan pastor Daniel Pouesi, passed away. I would like to dedicate this song to his memory.
Happy 80th birthday, Reverend Daniel Pouesi. Words of our grandfather to ya. You have always encouraged us with. Never let our family genealogy in God come to an end. Thank you for your unwavering stand for God, Tiamomo. We love you, brother, your siblings. In Jesus' name.
Is that it? You guys done?
Yeah.
A round of applause for recipients.
Pupula Mai Yesuelena, Ilonelo Topongisa, May I say etu pumai, Elilo eila uvai, Alata lata ona moe, Ia o manatu ia te oe, Ia malolo mafilemu, Olango ia Yesu, Ia polea sota te mau, Atea o etina au, Asaule po ele matau, Awa o etau siau, Awa o etau siau. The fear of death is a pervasive one. Even so-called atheists, or those who don't believe in God or a final judgment, feel it. Many of them don't go quietly into the night. But for a child of God, there is no fear of death. And that's what this song talks about. Asaulipo elematau. When the night comes, there is no fear. In the book of John, Jesus says, all those the Father gives me will come to me, and I will never reject them. In Romans chapter 8, Paul asked this question: who dares accuse us whom God has chosen for his own? No one, for God himself has given us right standing with himself. He goes on to ask, who then will condemn us? And he answers, no one. For Jesus Christ died for us and was raised to life for us. So that's the truth and assurance from God. For his children, there is no fear of death. Asaulepo elematau. When the night comes, there is no fear. So until the next song, may God keep you and make his face to shine upon you. Have a great new year, and God bless.